Girona, here we come. Jory's first time driving on the opposite side of the road.
Woohoo!
It's terrifying.
Yeah, it's freaky as. Everything's opposite, everything's weird. I keep bashing the door to change gears. I love it.
How's the drive?
Good. I'm doing really well at going over the line on the right hand side of the road and nearly whacking like the fences and stuff like that. But haven't done it so far, so touch wood. No wood in the car.
Touch plastic, vinyl.
I'm loving driving past all the old Spanish houses and stuff like that, like, and even like all the trees and stuff are different, and it's really like you're in Spain. And I know that sounds weird because we are in Spain, but there's some places that you go and like you can't tell it's different to anywhere else. And here everything's like Spanish architecture, and the colour of the fields is different, the temperature's different, the smell is different, the trees are different, the flowers are different, and it's just like, yes, I am in Spain, and I absolutely love it. Alright, we've made it here to Girona. We booked this car park like months ago and got it for like 70% off, which is amazing. We've needed to park in paid parking here because the Airbnb that we're staying at is like right in the centre of the historical district and there's no parking there, so we've got a little bit of a walk, but I'm really keen to see where it is and what the Airbnb is like. How's that heat?
Oh, 32 degrees.
Too hot.
No, it's good.
Too hot.
I just love all like the old like streets where they're really like narrow and everything, like little alleyways. They look really cool.
We are looking for number 18. This is the street that we're staying on. I love it so much. It's tiny.
This reminds me of Rome.
That tiny elevator.
Yeah. Tiny little narrow spaces to fit through. Alright, so here we are in our little Airbnb. It's pretty nice. We've got the whole place to ourselves, which is nice. So we've got bedroom, quite a big bed. I think it's like a pop-out, like lounge bed type thing. So let's see if we can open this little balcony thing. Ooh. By balcony, I mean ledge. I love that. We're like right in the thick of it. It's really, really cool. Let's go over here and have a little look. Got like a little seating area, living area type thing, mini kind of thing. And then we got the kitchen, which is quite good actually, because we were wanting to do like a bit of like cooking our own food, just to save on some money whilst we're here. So that's really good. Yeah, nice kitchen. We got the stove there. And I'm guessing this is just a microwave, or actually it might be a combination oven too. So that's pretty cool. Must be a fridge somewhere in there. Oh yeah, there is. And then bathroom, we've not seen this. Quite big actually. It's funny because our apartment at home is not even an apartment, it's a room. It's tiny, and our bathroom is tiny, and our kitchen is tiny. And every time we come to like an Airbnb, we're like, oh, we can like spread out. It's great. Yeah, shower, toilet, basin, nice big mirror. And there we have it.
Today is the Festival of St. John in Spain, and they do this really particular dessert, like a bread dessert with seeds and kind of fruit on the top, called coca, and we're going to try and find that. Cheers. Cheers.
Ooh. Interesting.